Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your VW Golf Mk7.5's infotainment system? You're likely dealing with issues in the MIB2 system, common in 2015-2020 models. These problems often stem from software glitches, outdated firmware, or even hardware failures. The first step is a simple reset. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This hard reset reboots the system without losing your data. If the system is still unresponsive, consider checking the fuse box under the dashboard, specifically fuse F11, which is dedicated to the infotainment system. A blown fuse could be the culprit behind a complete audio loss or system failure. According to a 2024 survey, 75% of reset attempts resolve freezing issues. If a simple reset and fuse check doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be more complex. Outdated firmware is a common cause. VW released a final firmware update in mid-2024 to address stability and sound issues. Contact your local VW dealer for this update, which is sometimes available for free under extended warranty. If the problem persists, it could be a hardware issue. Over time, components like capacitors can fail, especially in high-mileage vehicles. In such cases, a hardware replacement might be necessary, costing between $800 and $1,200. As MIB2 is an older platform, consider aftermarket solutions or upgrades to newer systems like MIB3 for improved functionality and support. Remember, VW technicians advise against DIY firmware flashes to avoid voiding warranties. If issues persist, seek professional help to diagnose and fix the problem effectively.